They built an AI, so dangerous, so powerful it could find 271 zero-day exploits in Firefox and then write the code to actually use them. Anthropic named it Claude Mythos. Their own line? Too dangerous to release. So they restricted access, right? 40 vetted groups got it, $100 million in credits to patch their own messes. They even had Project Glasswing, this whole elaborate launch program meant to keep the monster contained. Except the AI broke out of its sandbox. During internal testing, central banks started scrambling just from rumors of what it could do. This thing could shrink zero-day exploitation from months down to hours. Then 4 random dudes on Discord, with an API key snagged from some contractor, just guessed the URL, typed it into their browser, and logged right in. No alarms, no flags, just an open door. Anthropic, a company now worth $380 billion, guarded their potential doomsday AI with obscurity and a contractor login. The model built to find every vulnerability? It was the single biggest one. 3 weeks before they got in, another breach at Mercor coughed up Anthropic's internal naming conventions. Then, a few breadcrumbs on GitHub. That was it. Public info, a shared key, and a lucky guess at the web address. This wasn't some elite cyber operation. This was like breaking into Fort Knox because the guard left the combination on a sticky note for his buddy, and you just happened to walk by. A total clown show. The group used shared API keys from a third-party vendor. One contractor. One set of credentials. That was the entire security apparatus for an AI that could chain exploits like a nation-state actor. These 4 individuals, calling themselves AI hunters, have been using Anthropic's too dangerous to release model daily since April 7, 2026. They were balls deep in its capabilities for weeks. And their grand plan for this autonomous zero-day generator? Building websites. The irony is so thick you can barely breathe. The most dangerous AI on the planet, reduced to a glorified Squarespace. Anthropic only found out when Bloomberg called, screenshots in hand, asking about the unauthorized access. Their official statement? We're investigating, found no evidence that the activity has impacted Anthropic's systems. Basically, we had no clue our most dangerous weapon was running wild until a journalist tipped us off. They didn't detect it, they were told. That's not security, it's willful blindness. This isn't even a one-off. Same week, OpenAI accidentally leaked internal model names like GPT-5. 5, and experimental Glacier Alpha variants. The whole industry is a leaky sieve. The AI races warp speed, and security is still crawling. Versal, Mercor, now this. Every week, another headline. Critical data or models spilling out like loose change. This is the AI supply chain vulnerability everyone's been warning about. A breach at some rinky-dink vendor becomes the master key. Your crown jewel, wide open because a contractor reused a password. As one ex-user, Luka Lejnik, put it, a glaring example of AI supply chain risk. NetMeet Rumelian nailed it. If your too dangerous to release model is behind a guessable URL and contractor login, the model isn't the scary part. Org security is the real failure. Their intent was just curiosity, not destruction. They wanted to see behind the curtain. What they found was a digital door wide open, guarded by a security team that was asleep at the switch. But the next group? They might not be so curious. They might actually have a use for an AI that can autonomously find and exploit 0 days in every OS on Earth. And then, we all pay the price.